How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how you can fix if the status is not showing on your WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that your application is up to date. Sometimes if the application is missing out any updates, the application feature will not work properly. So in order to check that, open your Play Store in your device and then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for WhatsApp and make sure that the application is up to date. And the next method is to clear the cache of your application. Sometimes the cache also causes bugs and errors on the application, so it is better to clear them all. So tap on the settings, and on the settings tap on apps, tap on see all apps, and in the search bar search for WhatsApp and then open it up. So under the app info page, head towards storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Once you do that, now again head back to the app info page, head over to permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the necessary permissions such as camera, microphone, etc. to the WhatsApp. If not, tap on it and then allow the permission. Once you have done that, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, you can restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can help fix any glitches or applications in the mobile device or the application itself. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.